I think there are really three current trends. Two of them are happening right now today, and one of them is a little bit further look into the future. And those three trends are business analytics, which is getting a lot of buzz today. Maybe a little bit less visible, but becoming increasingly visible, is the idea of rapid and agile data provisioning, and that's being seen mostly right now. The buzz and the talk around it is big data, but it's really the question of how do we get the right data to the right people at the right velocity in a world where there's more demand, more data, moving at faster speeds. So data provisioning is a really big piece of it, and the analytics and the good data provisioning set the stage for us to be able to move to the next thing after analytics and the noise around analytics has settled down and analytics maturity comes along. The next place people are going to want to go is from analytics to innovation. How do we use what we learn through analytics to create real value? It's really less about technology and data and processes than it is about people. And one of the realities we're finding today is early on in the development of business analytics, we look to professional business analysts, the statistical modelers, the folks that companies like Gallup and Nielsen have, but smaller companies tend not to have those. And most of today's business analysts don't even know they're business analysts. They're business managers needing to make decisions, and as a result, they have to do some analysis, they have to obtain some data and gain some understanding and some insight from it. I think the analytic capabilities line up pretty precisely with the analytic styles. So the detectives need stuff that is decision analytics. They need the ability to frame the problem, model the problem, then choose the right data, then run that data through solution models that are really sort of simulations. What if I do this? What is the probable outcome? What if I do this? What's the probable outcome? The explorers need more of discovery analytics. Let's sift through the data and see what I bring to the surface, and when that brings me new insights, it brings me new questions which cause me to want to cycle back and sift through more data and look at it from different perspectives until I am able to bring to the surface all of those things that really matter to me. The predictors need the more traditional predictive analytics, where I'm applying data mining and pattern analysis and doing some active forecasting of future outcomes. And then the fourth thing that comes into play, the one that is really emergent and really strongly connected with big data, is social analytics. And this will be of interest across all three styles of analysis, for the detectives, for the explorers, and for the predictors. The things that we can learn, the things that we can see out of Facebook, Twitter, and social media bring a whole new dimension to the data thing and raise the stakes in terms of rapid data provisioning. People look at their data warehouse as the foundation data, and they use virtualization to answer the problems that the data warehouse can't step up to. I think that is today's reality, but it's not the future. In the future, we'll see it reverse, so that virtualization will become the primary answer, and we'll use data virtualization to move large volumes of data, to move it at high speed, and we'll turn to the data warehouse for those things that virtualization is not well suited to, which for the most part are retention of large volumes of historical data, or performing those very, very complex data transformations that just don't fit into the virtualization space.